Bangibuze bathi awumfethi kanti uNkulunkulu wakho unjani? Ngibe ngithi mina wami uNkulunkulu unguNkulunkulu engihlola umenzi wokuhle. Ngiphinde ngithi ushintsho kujwayeliwe yakwenze nsuku. Ngibe ngikuphendulile.
Wake uthandaza for something to happen for so long, and then you think that and God is not answering you. Guys, we are moving. Oh, sounds really fun. Couch is gonna be there. TV has to be on this wall because the connection is this side. Look at the lighting. So yeah, guys, today we did our lease signing. We got our keys. They did note that.
Oh, they did?
Yeah. That and the marker on the bottom. Those are the only two things that they're claiming, basically. So, guys, we are moving. We did our lease signing. We got the keys to this new place. I'm so happy. My heart is full. This has been a process. Let me show you guys a quick empty apartment tour. Can't believe I'm saying that. This is the living room. This is where the TV is gonna go. And this is where the couch is gonna be. And then that's the overview of that's not even a full kitchen. I don't know what this is. But upper, this is where the fridge is gonna go. This space is so small. I don't know if the refrigerator is gonna fit, but we'll see. And then let's make our way to the bathroom. This is the bathtub, which is nice because we didn't have a bath in our last place. And then this is the sink, toilet, towel rack, toilet holder. I like the fact that the window is like blurred out so you can't see outside. And then this is me. I can't with the echo. So that's the bathroom. This is a 2-bedroom apartment. And then this is Ina's room. It's so small, it's like a tiny room. I actually thought this was gonna be a content room. I don't see that happening. And this is the cupboard space. That's the cupboard space. Very small, but this will double up as our extra storage. And then this is the main bedroom. Oh, this is the primary. I'm in my real estate bag. Nalasho besibuke? Huh?
Selling 10.
Yes. We've been watching Selling 10, so Lukanya is like, this is the primary, it's not the main bedroom. Excuse us with your terminology. Since you have all the terminology, this room, I love it so much. It's so well lit. It's so spacious, but still cupboard space. This is the cupboard space. Very small, but at least we have the other one, don't we? So, yeah, guys, that is the empty apartment. He's been hiding. I want to shoot that. That's pretty much it. No, I cannot wait to cook, but this kitchen is not a kitchen, Sana. It's a walk-through. It's a walkway. It's so small. But I'm so happy and so grateful. I can't wait to cook, go buy groceries, just do all of the things.
Heavenly Father, Lord, Heavenly Father God, we thank you so much for this wonderful opportunity, Father, that you're giving us, Father God. This opportunity, one more long, of moving into our bedroom, Father God. Father God, modeling our Kamashao with your grace, Father God, Father God. I sit our own, but it's because of grace, Father, because of your love, Father God, Father God. We are coming here with happy hearts. We're coming here also to you. Lord, we just want to take this moment and opportunity, Father, to give you praise, Father God, to thank you, Father God, to appreciate you, to acknowledge you, Father God, to say that we appreciate you, Father God. Father God, it wasn't easy. It's been a long hard journey of 12 months without Umbani, staying in a smaller space, Father God, Father God. But was more like it's a tanda, was Penguin, Father God. And you blessed us with a two-bedroom apartment, Father God. Father God, so the year one was moving in, so moving in with guidance. Tanzania guidance, all we're going to enjoy it. We're going to enjoy it with your guidance, Father, with your protection, Father, with your love, Father God. Father God, I just want to thank you and give thanks, Father God, and pray in your name. Amen.
That is not the platform to say. Yo, guys, I could write a book about this move. This move has been a long time coming. Utandas for something to happen for so long. And then you think that and God is not answering you. Like our living situation was just not ideal. This is 12 months of praying, pleading, fasting. But it's so beautiful how everything came together. And God had a plan. And one thing about God, Sana, when he does something, he shows off. And he's very, very detailed. He's a very, very detailed God in the execution of his plans as well. we've just been in awe of how everything came together. You know, it's like a puzzle piece that connected, you know. And this has been on the works for months, but we only found out about this probably 2 months back. And just how everything played out is so beautiful. I'm so happy, I'm so grateful, I'm emotional. Finally, we are here, we have moved. I can't believe it. God is so good. Like, I think our fridge is going to be too big for this space. Our fridge is going to slightly overlap, I think. But I like the lighting. Form.